Good morning, everybody. It is 9:30. I got up about almost 2 hours ago. I don't know if you've seen a little bit of change here, but we got the wall all cleaned up. It's looking nice, looking spiffy. So today is day 12. No, day 13. I can't even keep up anymore. Day 13 on the path to $30,000 a month. So today's gonna be a chill day. It's a weekend. So we're gonna do the cold email marketing today. So we're gonna put out another email. So I'll make sure I'll put a video on that. And then got sticker orders I gotta get out. Maybe some decals as well. But it's gonna be really chill because I'm going to make a tutorial today. Today's the day. I couldn't do it yesterday. So today we're gonna be doing a video tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a shorter video. And if you're not subscribed already and you're enjoying these videos, come subscribe. I make a video every single day. This is day 13. We're almost at 2 weeks. And my main supporters, thank you for being here. I really appreciate you. So let's get started.
All right, so we actually started off with checking all the analytics on YouTube. You guys are killing it. Thank you so much for watching. I just had my second highest video pop up, so thank you. We're going over orders, getting back to customers, working on the analytics on Shopify. Yeah, basically just going through, checking everything, and looking at potential clients to email. And then I went and found a Shopify app that can help me with the wholesale channel side of my website so I can get more B2B clients. And then I ended up actually making that tutorial on the print on demand in 2024. I highly recommend you guys watch that. It will be coming out sometime this week. So if you aren't subscribed, subscribe down below and hit that notification so you know you get it. All right, last but not least, I basically de-weeded all of these decals. So I'm going through and getting ready to ship these orders. So I'm getting all these shipping labels printed out here. So I know in the last videos, I was like struggling how to get these orders out quicker. And those shipping labels, putting those on, I actually did it fairly quick with a new method. Maybe it just feels quicker, but I got them out, I feel like, way quicker. All right, so let's break down yesterday's revenue. All right, so starting off with eBay, we ended up with $57.86, so not bad. Definitely higher than the other days. And for Amazon, we're looking at $486.39, so really not a horrible day. All right, so our total ended up being $543. All right, so our total for the last 13 days is $13,113. And honestly, that's not bad, but we're not on track anymore. I mean, we kind of are, but we're starting to dive off a little bit, but that's fine. You know, like if it doesn't happen this month, we don't hit 30, like there's always next month, but we're striving for the 30. And like I said, I'm doing the cold email marketing now. Tomorrow I'll do an update on that, like let you guys know like what happened with that. I haven't fully finished my email marketing for today, but if you guys enjoyed this video, I know it was short. Please subscribe down below. I'm making a video every single day. So tomorrow will be the 2-week mark. So day 14 on the path to $30,000 a month. So I hope to see you guys there. Have a great rest of your Saturday.